Right, thought I'd do a quick video here. I have Pathfinder fog lights, a little over 2 years old, that I bought new and put in, and in that amount of time, one of them has already failed. So I ordered these Amazon ones to see how they would be, because they were about a third the price, and I already have all the wiring and the switch. And I did not want to go Pathfinder again after they only lasted 2 years. So we'll give it a shot and see how the new ones look. So here I am. I have the headlight covered up with a blanket or a jacket. This is, I'm going to cover up the new one first, the Amazon one. And you can see the light pattern. It's pretty rectangular with the Pathfinder. When I pull it away, it just continues on with a new one. And if I come over here and do the same and cover up the Pathfinder, very similar. Pathfinder is probably just a little bit brighter, but for a third the price, I think that'll work just fine. Alright, so both of them are in place now, and I still have the headlight covered up, obviously. Gotta get LEDs for that. Tried a couple Amazon LEDs and they don't work, so anyway, that's the light pattern shown on the door. If I cover up this one, you can see that they overlap. Top and bottom is lined up. I did have to adjust the one on the right. I had to bring it down just ever so slightly with a screw down here at the bottom, just to screw that in and out to raise it and lower it. So we'll see how it is on the first ride. Sure it's going to be better to have two than just the one Pathfinder working. So anyway, there you go. Alright, so here's the factory headlights, low beam, high beam, and then when I turn on the new LED fog lights, you can see how much brighter they are. I'll turn them off, back on. All lights and high beams light it up pretty good. Just the headlights again, low beam.